Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, January 22nd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So do you want to keep trying to pick tops? Right? You want to keep trying to pick tops, you're not going to be around long trading. That I can assure you of. NQ looking to gap higher again, as are we, as is Righty. We're in uncharted territory here in the S&P, NQ, and the Dow Jones. It's uncharted territory. We're at levels we've never seen before, ever. So trying to pick tops just doesn't work, okay? We're looking to gap higher again. We'll see if today's gap holds. Look at the overnight open and drove straight up. We do have an 18 wide overnight POC here at 82.50. You would think 4,900. Again, I'm just looking at something that maybe they'll pause at because they're round numbers, which would be 4,900 in the ES, 17.6 in NQ. That's a possibility, but I wouldn't hang my hat on it too long. Again, we talk about game plan early. Depending on where the overnight high is, you know, it would be an okay risk reward trade if the overnight high is closer to 4,900. And you could front run the overnight high and say 4,900 to get maybe some sort of pullback. Okay, same with NQ. Well, they are pretty close. They're only, they're 18 points or so away from 600, 17.6. So that's a possible play. On the flip side, the overnight is totally long. If it is to pull back, we do have an 18 wide POC, and where the overnight halfback is should provide some sort of speed bump to take a long there. To try to go get, if we didn't get the overnight high yet. If we did get it, I would buy that with even more confidence, okay? Because then the odds of getting the overnight low go down a lot more, okay? That would be the same in NQ, although their overnight low, as you can see, opened above Friday's all-time high and started going. So again, just early plays. Come in the trading room, my friends, and we'll go over this for 6.5 hours a day, right? So, and then on the chart, we're breaking out, right? Inside year for SPY is breaking out to the upside. One time framing up 3 months. Weekly broke out of a 4-week balance. Last week, up. And the daily, same thing. One time framing up. Right now, this will be day 3. We'll see if we do hold this gap going forward today. By the way, Friday's volume ended up being the second highest of the year. Again, it's nothing crazy, only 110 million. What I want to see to say that there's some real long-term sticky money coming into this market is 150, 160 million shares a day. That would tell you it's not just short-term traders pushing this market up. Good luck trading today. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.